A very good morning to you, children. Children, I welcome you all into this third session of English, in which we are studying nouns, right? And we have seen what noun is actually. We have seen that nouns are the naming words, right, children? They are the naming words, right? Naming names of people, animals, things, and places like man, dog, toy, and market. Now we also moved ahead to learn that there are two basic types of noun. Those which are having names, they are called proper noun, and others having general name of people, animal, places, and things called common nouns. Right? Proper noun having special names like your name, right? And a common noun will be boy or girl, whatever you are. Now we move ahead. Right? We also saw that there are some gender based nouns, female nouns or male nouns, right? Now it's time to move ahead. Now look at these pictures. Can you say which of these nouns is a male and which one is a female? Pencil, book, bottle, balloon. They are neither male nor female, right? Now here you have to write down any five things, any five nouns that cannot be called a male or female, right? See here, the picture is there of six things. The first one can be seen here is a tree. Can you tell tree is male or female? No, nobody can say. So we will write tree. 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 Similarly, we need to write four more names, right? And this picture has many see, the first is flower, then we have pen, then ball, then pencil, and egg. All these are genderless, right? All these are genderless. You can write any five here, right? So we move ahead. Now this is an exercise in which you have to paste pictures of your family members, then tell the class their common names, proper names. Suppose you put your picture, right, or your dad's picture, then there must be some name, he must be having some name, that will be the proper noun. Common noun will be he is a man, father is a man, right? And then you will write male or female, whatever he is accordingly, right? So please do this. This is a very interesting exercise here. And now let us do some learning with Ladybird. To talk about one thing, we use a, right? If anything is there one in number, we use a. A dog, a cat, a book. If it's more than one, we use some. But remember, they must be countable. Remember, they must be countable. That is, we can count them, right? So we will use some dogs, some cats, some books. See, you can count them. Now there are some uncountable nouns also, right? Now in the above picture, see here a formula is given, sum plus s. Now if there are cats, see in the first picture there are dog. There are more than one, so we will write some dogs, dog plus s, right? Now there are some uncountable noun, right? See the picture, she has a biscuit and some milk. You cannot count it, right? You do not use a or some with names. If it's a name of somebody, we will not use a or some. Now see here, something is written here. Let us read this. A noun, a word that is a person, place, or thing. Singular, one thing. Plural, more than one thing. Countable if you can count these numbers. Uncountable if you cannot count these numbers, right? So we do not use a Vanisha or a Jake. We will say Vanisha or Jake. right? Now look at these pictures and draw lines to sum or a. See, here a is written and sum. Now first one has been done for you. It's about apple. See, there are more than one apple, that is why sum. Now the second picture is of guitar, and see, it is one. So what we will be doing is, we will be doing it, linking it with this. The third picture is of banana. It is one in number, so we will be linking it here. Now the fourth picture is of sweets, and they are more than one, so we will be linking it like this with some, right? And so on. You have to do this exercise. This is a very nice one, very interesting, right? Now see, what do you see in the picture? Write our sum based on the picture. See, some people, then boy. How many boy are there? There are two boy. We'll write some boy. How many girl are there? You can see there are two girl. Where are these two? This and this. These are the two girls. Then woman. Now woman is a senior girl who is married, is called a woman. And it seems there is only one here. So we will write a woman. Children. How many children are there? See, one boy, one girl. So two, more than one. So you write some children. Clothes. All are wearing clothes. So it's more than one, some clothes. Right? So we have learnt about nouns, that nouns are the naming words. We saw any general name is of person, place or thing is called common noun. And a special name of person, place or thing is called a proper noun. Then we saw countable and uncountable, those things which can be counted, countable. If it is one in number, we write a. If it's more than one, we write some. Right? And then uncountable, which cannot be counted, like some milk. Okay, I hope you have understood this as much as I did in making it. So until we meet again, it's a goodbye from my side.